On social media, you follow people. On Reddit, you join communities and follow your own interests. We're a community of communities. Reddit runs on votes. People see things on Reddit because people vote for things. If no one voted, then Reddit would just be a gaping black abyss and cats. Some platforms reward the sensational. Reddit rewards the conversational. All the action is in the comments. Some social media puts all your information out in the streets. Reddit lets you overshare, but never reveal your name, or the reverse, or somewhere in between, or whatever. Some platforms don't care whether you do the right thing. Reddit gives you fake internet points called karma whenever people upvote your posts and comments. Can't post somewhere? Gain more karma in that community by commenting. Reddit communities take on the personalities of their mods and members. Some require peer-reviewed research. Some exist only for the lulz. Read community rules to know what's what.